Congratulations, graduates. There's so much ahead of you and so much that I wish I could express in words, but unfortunately there are not enough words to express how I feel. But luckily I have some really good help and some really good music to express it in song. So I'm going to give this a try. Let's see what happens. What? Oh, this is sweet, yo. All right, I believe the children are the future. Well, you know what this means. There's only one thing left to do now. Turn up.
Five, four, three, two, one, zero. This one's explosive.
Probably good.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be black.
UAG, reppin' NYC, then turn this whole party up 800 degrees. Team Fleet, y'all in for a treat. T. Smith, Gruszka, hold on to your seats.
I'm a graduate, check my grades past it. Party's real lit, cause the transcripts match it. Hood, but we classy, nice, but we sassy. Haters keep the G out your mouth, that you be gagging. Gruszka. The way we cheer you on, it's a movie. I told Miss C we gotta do our flow, leave us a school key. We done zoomed a lot, these grades is hot, Smith and Gruszka. A mood and we moody. I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith, I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith.
Phone unlocked when I glance. Getting on that grind, she might update her LinkedIn. Study all that tech, we still got them bands. If you want real scholars in your class, here's your chance. I see left click, right click, get it ran Duran. IT up in this thing, put you up in this game. Code and getting us fame. Fame. If you don't climb all these trees up, baby, you don't feel my pain. Hold up, please don't get this tight. Write your claim real nice. We don't argue with no lazy students, come to go tonight. We write code and delete it, we network and white and teeth. Yeah, told my mama I'm a graduate, with or without quarantine. Yeah,
I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith, I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Like T. Smith say, like me. They want the big brain students with degrees. They be like, dang, how they learn like that in quarantine. Even schools like Yale couldn't do it like we.
Now we got this party ready just for you. Y'all, I hope you remember us and come on through. Come on, talk to me and thinking like, miss you, my boo.
I'm legit, ooh. I got my shirt, my mask, my hat is too much drip, ooh. I keep a mouse, I keep a brush, I keep a script, ooh. Let's play a game, Simon says I'm a graduate, ooh. I'm a graduate, I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith, I'm a graduate. Class of 2K Vanty. Regents took them, passed it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening?
I heard they asking for diplomas, Finbar cameras in here. It's not magic, you a graduate, hold your head with no fear. You gon' flip your grad caps with all the work that you did. All this love in the room, been had for 4 years.
UAG, yeah, you heard. PCE, we earned it. Who gon'
Reflection, learn to keep your mind focused, observe. Time back a bird, seen it, yeah, a blur. Always do our work, never cheat, yeah, we earn. Scholar when I'm writing like that, research I finish. I typed it out and then I put footnotes in it. I hit turn and I watch me drop my pen. I stop the show, now watch me start up again.
I'm a graduate, class of 2K Banty. Regents took them past it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith, I'm a graduate, class of 2K Banty. Regents took them past it. Acting stupid, what's happening? Smith, what's happening? Smith, I'm a graduate.
Hey Gateway, class of 2020. The chalk may fade, but the memories will last forever. Love you guys. Congratulations.